KESINO control consoles redefine cable management standards for control centers with professional-grade wiring solutions. The core design adopts a large-capacity redundant cabling structure, physically isolating high and low voltage cables through stratified trunking to eliminate electromagnetic interference (EMI) at its source. This provides a stable cable operation environment for critical scenarios such as financial trading halls and energy dispatch centers. The layered trunking architecture not only meets the wiring demands of current high-density equipment, but also reserves 40% redundant space, enabling seamless adaptation to future equipment expansion and circuit upgrades. The desktop area features hidden multifunctional trunking, which maintains a tidy work surface while integrating standard 86-type information box mounting positions compatible with network, power, and other interface modules. Paired with expandable axial fan mounting slots, it forms an integrated heat dissipation plus cabling solution. Whether addressing the complex cabling of multi-screen workstations in data centers or the 24/7 equipment heat dissipation needs in command centers, the modular design ensures flexible adaptation. From structural design to material selection, the wiring system safety and maintainability are comprehensively guaranteed, transforming professional cabling from an engineering challenge into a streamlined solution.